I'm Dr Michela Guglieri. I'm a consultant neurologist and senior lecturer at the John Walter Muscular Dystrophy Research Centre in Newcastle, and I have a particular interest for translational research and standard of care for different neuromuscular conditions and Duchenne particularly. Corticosteroids are part of the care recommendation for Duchenne muscular dystrophy and are the only treatment that is currently available for all boys with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, regardless their mutation or specific genetic fault. I think it's important that corticosteroids are discussed with every single family that is diagnosed today with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. There are strong evidences that they can improve muscle strength and function over a certain period of time, but also they can have an impact on other aspects of Duchenne, including the breathing muscles, the heart function, and the orthopedic, complications such as scoliosis. I'm not saying that they are coming for free, so they are associated with several side effects, but the advantage is that corticosteroids are quite well-known drugs and have been used in medicine for several years. And therefore, we are aware of the side effects and we are improving our way to manage side effects. And today, the majority of the care in Duchenne is regarding how can we better manage corticosteroid-associated side effects in order to be able to continue to prescribe them and have the benefit and try to control the side effects profile. I think that is a very exciting time for Duchenne muscular dystrophy with corticosteroid is something that has been known for several years, but over the last 10 years there are more and more new therapeutic approaches that are tested for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The majority of them are aiming not to replace corticosteroid but to work in concomitance with corticosteroid. And if we think about, there are different approaches, some of them trying to modify the genetic defect or others tend to interact with the consequences of the genetic change. At the moment, I think that there is a lot of confidence in gene therapy and in exon skipping approaches based on the result of early phases clinical trials. And obviously one of the exon skipping has been approved by the FDA. And I think that obviously when we think about correcting a genetic condition, thinking about modify the genetic defect is what looks more attractive. Again, it doesn't come for free and we probably do not still have all the answers, and there is a long way to go in order to have a final an advanced treatment for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, but the advantages that we have done over the last 10 years are, I think, impressive. Saying that, I think that it's also important to recognize that standard of care is what has been implemented over the last 15 years and is what they have done a huge change for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And the massive impact that we have seen in terms of natural history so far has been done just improving the care. And the advantage of that is that it should be offered to everyone, is available and should be implemented.